Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue of Nintendo. So the Nintendo's eShop is not working, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So first of all, it is possible that the Nintendo Switch eShop is temporarily unavailable. So first of all, check the latest operational status. You can easily check the operational status of Nintendo Switch on this page. If everything looks good here, then it's alright, but if not, then you can't do anything, you just have to wait. The next thing you can do is that you can try to connect to other network, which means try to use a different wireless network. Also make sure that you have installed the latest system update, and to check it, go to system settings, go to system, and here you will get an option of system update. This will provide you information regarding the system updates. Also, to refresh your network, turn on your aeroplane mode, wait for 10 seconds and turn off. For the aeroplane mode, go to system setting, and here you will get an option of aeroplane mode. If these method does not work, then try to reset the cache on Nintendo Switch. To reset the cache on Nintendo Switch, go to system setting, and there you will get an formatting option, and from this option you can easily clear the cache. Also try to change the DNS setting manually. For that, go to system settings, go to internet setting, select your network and go to DNS setting. Select manual and replace zeros from these numbers. Select OK to save. So these are the ways by which you can fix your issue. I hope it helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.